it's an 1.5 inches, right? That's the width of the 2x4, that's gonna go right there.
Okay.
So 1.5 inches, and if you notice, when you're like working with lumber, see how I made that big carrot? Like that? So when you're marking lumber, especially for this kind of stuff, if I were to make like a little tick mark like that, the next person, say somebody else is coming behind me to put in the set, they're like, where, I don't see where your mark is, right? And if you were to do something like this, just one single line, okay, right there it's 4 inches, up here it's 5 or 4 3/8, you know. So, right, like, which one's the right one? Or you don't remember when you're coming back. So you use this little carrot right here. I call it a carrot. Some people have heard like a sparrow wing. I don't know. There's all different types of names for it. But you know exactly where that center is, right? And you can just make it big enough and bold enough so you can see it. So in that one too, I know the stud is 1.5 inches. I'm just gonna line it up flush with the edge here, but I'm still gonna mark it out. Okay, and then so I'm just gonna be working this way. The way, I'm just going with the plans. So this first one tells me from the edge to this edge is 15 1/4. So I'm gonna pull my tape out. So that edge to that edge is 15 1/4. So I just go to my 15 1/4. And I know that that's the right edge of my 2x4. So then I would need to go 1.5 inches down, right? And that gives me the other edge of it. If that makes sense. The one thing I hate about these plans, so now it's 16 inches from this one. So
Not from the center.
right, and sometimes you can cheat. So,
Oh, and just move it a little? Yeah.
right,
That's
because if you notice on every tape measure, it will have 16 marked in some other color, right? So if you pull out your tape, I think you got the same one. You notice all the 16 on center are all red. What's yours? You got a different one.